Hi everyone, Nick here. Today we're going to be talking about the government's plans to assess GCSE, AS and A-level students this year and what this will mean for you. Before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you can keep up to date with all the latest information about education as well as things artistic and creative. So let's take a look at what the government is saying. So first of all, traditional exams are cancelled. The fact remains, students will not be walking into their exam halls and sitting the exact same paper as every other student in the country at the exact same time. That isn't happening this year. Rather, as announced some time ago, teacher assessment will be used. But the question everyone has been asking is, how exactly are these teacher assessments going to work? Well, as of recording this, some of this information has been released. So for starters, schools will use a combination of mock exams, coursework and essays to decide grades for students. There are also these optional assessments set by exam boards for all subjects. Now you may remember there were rumours of these mini exams going around earlier this year, but that doesn't seem to be what's happening here. These assessments don't have to be used, they won't be taken in exam conditions, and your results in these are not the results you'll be getting in your final grades. These papers, which may possibly be taken from past exam papers, will be shipped out to schools before the Easter break and must be taken before 18th of June. The fact that these will be marked by teachers instead of externally means that teachers won't set or mark the content that the students would not have had the chance to learn, which makes the process a lot fairer, since different schools teach at different orders, at different speeds and have had different experiences during the past 12 months. The government is relying heavily on teacher experience, skill and professionalism in this process. It has been reported that they have no interest in earlier years and will not ask for the grades to be kept in line with previous cohorts, not even those of last year. The aim, according to Ofqual, is to make it no harder overall for this year's students to receive a particular grade than students in other years. And Nick Gibbs, the student minister, said that to ensure grades weren't inflated, the government had to put in place different check-in mechanisms to ensure that there was consistency. So there will be quality assurance checks and samples taken from schools to make sure everything is being handled properly. The grades will be submitted by schools on the 18th of June, and the results will be in August 10th for A-levels and August 12th for GCSEs, so earlier than usual, but not as early as was suggested in previous reports and the consultation itself had proposed. So I'm interested in hearing your opinion on this, guys. What do you think of this system that's replacing the typical exams? Do you think it will be fair? Is this what you want? Let us know in the comments below. Personally, as someone who has recently graduated, I don't know what to think, since what we have seen the last 2 exam seasons has never happened before. The main thing here, which I'm sure all of you have been told by your teachers already, is to keep working hard. Every lesson, assignment and class test is now more important than ever. Make sure you are doing everything you're supposed to be doing and paying attention in class, because it's all going to count in the end. I think we'll leave it there for today. To see the reports where we got our information from, be sure to check the links in the description as usual. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you haven't already. That's it for today, so stay safe, look after yourselves and we'll see you soon.